Okay, so today we've got some accessories in for the Tiger 660. We're going to put the luggage rack on here, and we're going to put the panniers on, hopefully, if this all goes well. And so I want to welcome you to my channel, and let's get going. So we'll take the seat off. Okay, so if we just take a little look around here. As you can see, these pieces here, they come through this side piece. So this side piece will have to come off. We've got 2 screws I see right now. So let's go about putting on the new rack. So there's the new rack. I weighed it. It weighs 6 pounds. I guess it's gonna go right about there. If you're not mounting something on there, it came with these little filler plugs to fill in the mounting holes if you're not going to put a box on it. Okay, so we're going to start by taking these side pieces off with a 5mm Allen key. Take these off the rest of the way for in front of the camera. And you should hear the traffic here. You know, when we lived here, it was a little gravel road. You hardly saw anybody. I'll have to show you, but this kind of pulls down and out at the bottom, and then this slides off the handle. Yeah, see? Down and up. We just kind of peel it down. Down and off and up. To take these off, we need a 12mm socket. They're tight. We'll pull. The instructions say to disconnect the battery. I'm not sure why. Maybe that's in case you lay tools across the battery. We'll see. If it looks close anywhere, we'll do it. These bolts are different lengths. It's fun. Okay, we'll do it. I was going to do it off camera, but I'll take this off. Okay, this is interesting. I think these guys, same Allen key. This piece is going to come off. I'll give you a closer look at that. See, there's a cutout made just exactly for that thing to fit in there by the looks of it. Another big vehicle going by. Hear that water running in the background. We've had so much water lately. Some pumps going like crazy. Yeah, see that lifts straight up and off. I'm going to keep these screws together, separate and together. Now let's try and puzzle this piece in here. That fits a little nicer. Way to go, Triumph. Long bolt on this side. Where's my little socket thingy? I'm not going to tighten it, but I'll just put it in enough to take up the slack so that stays more or less where we want it. Always finger tight to start, just in case something has to shuffle one way or the other. to fit. So of course, you know, when we do our own work on our bikes, we're doing it so at our own risks, but if it's not very difficult, you can save a little bit of money. My install for all my accessories at the dealer was $600, and there's all simple stuff like this. That jumps in there, gives kind of a turn as it goes in. Alrighty. Beautiful. Find those screws and pop them back in. Now, if you were to torque these on plastic, I think there actually was a torque for them. I'll put it down, but there's no way my torque wrench is gonna go light enough for that, so kind of got a feel for it when we took them off. This is the torque that I call just so. It's a just so torque. Too tight and you break the plastic, too loose it rattles out. Okay, and again, just so torque. Probably a good idea to use a really small Allen key. A little harder to overdo it. Right on. Okay, so the torque for these bolts is 35 Newton meters. Put that into old Google and it's about 25 foot-pounds. If you can see this, but you see there's the line there and there's a 0, right? And there's the 25 there. So I would crank it up till it got to the 25, and it also should be on a 0. So if it looks like it's really close to the 25 and it's on a 0, then you know it's on 25. And I'm chicken, so I sometimes will go back 5 or so and try it and see what I think it feels like to me. Instructions say to tighten this one first. So I'm just going to, then there's a pattern, that one, then the front driver side, rear passenger side. I'll just get them snug. Oh, there we go. That's 15. Actually, that's 20. So then we'll crank it up to the 0 again, and that should give us the 25. So passenger side, rear driver side front, and passenger side rear. Nice and tight. Okay, and if you remember these little pieces we took out here to make room for that bar, don't want to forget to put them in, otherwise this plastic is kind of unfixated. Nice. Way to go, Triumph. Making for an easy job. Okay, so here we go. Just so torque. So there you go. We have the top box holder put in. Max load 11 pounds. We'll see. And we'll see if the seat fits. There you go. Click, clickety boo. Thanks for watching this video, and let's get on to installing the panniers, hopefully today.